In this video, I will be showing you how to lock elements in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'm going to choose a blank Facebook post template from the home screen. Once my new design opens, I'll navigate to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. I want to add some graphics, so I'll click into that category and look for some breakfast items. I'll start by adding this illustration of buttered toast and resizing it to fit my layout. Next, I'll bring in a breakfast plate with eggs and sausage, followed by a piece of toast with a fried egg. Finally, I'll add a bowl of cereal to complete the set. I'm just going to spend a moment arranging these across the canvas to get the place right. Now, to prevent these elements from being accidentally moved or selected, I'm going to use the lock feature. I'll click on the cereal bowl and then click the lock icon in the menu above it. I'll do the same for the buttered toast, the breakfast plate, and the toast with the egg. You can see the small lock icon appearing next to each item, which means they are now secured in place. To demonstrate how this works, I'll add a large graphic of various vegetables on top of everything. Because the original items are locked, I can click, drag, and resize this new graphic without disturbing the background icons at all. This makes it much easier to work on layered designs without the frustration of moving the wrong thing. When I'm ready to make changes to the breakfast items again, I simply click on them and select the unlock icon from the floating menu. I'll go through and unlock each one so they are editable again. This simple trick is a great way to stay organized and save time while you design. I hope this helps you create even better designs.